Hello, so I wanted to thank you for your purchase of the Sinking Fund spreadsheet. I hope that this helps you reach all of your financial goals and anything that you may be saving for. So today I'm going to walk through how to utilize the sheet. So starting off here, I've got some of the data already kind of filled out, but we can go ahead and add to it. So as you see here across the top, we have three charts. So we have our nearest target date, our farthest target date, and then on the far right, we've got our lowest contribution percentage. So what this is meant to do is visualize what goal is coming up soonest, which one's the farthest away, and then which one you're lacking in most contributions to. So starting off here, we can kind of see that in the middle portion here, there's a spot called the sinking fund summary. So this is where we're going to input our data. So under this sinking fund column, we can give a new saving goal here. So we're going to do maybe a college savings fund. So total amount needed would be maybe 15. I already did 15. Let's do $20,000. So we're going to start. We're starting now. So we're starting in May 2026. Our target date may be May 2030. So as you can see, as I put this in here, this middle chart automatically updated to say that the farthest target date is now the college fund, and we can see that we've contributed 0%. So it'll also tell us here how much remaining amount we have for our goal, how many months we have, and then it'll display how much you would need to contribute monthly in order to meet your goal. So this kind of gives you a visualization of how much you should be aiming to achieve for this fund to make your target date. So in order to log any contributions that we have our transaction log here down at the bottom. So once you input all of your funds, which you can utilize up to 25 funds in the top, but once you put those funds in there, it's available in this drop down here. So you can see I have college now. And let's just say on this date we submitted $5,000. So we can see that the remaining amount has updated to say 15,000 instead of the 20,000 originally. It's updated our farthest target date percentage to show us now that we have 25% complete. And then on the right here, we've got an additional visualization of all this data. So each of these rows are paired with the row of the sinking fund to the left, and it gives some visual feedback of how your target savings is progressing. So we've saved $5,000 of our $20,000 goal for college, so we're at 25%, and this bar will continue to grow until we've reached our goal on the right. So let's say we had submitted another one for our college fund, and we did 10,000 here. So you can see originally this line was a different color, but now that we've got above a threshold of 75%, it's now green. So it's showing that our progress is getting closer to our goal. You can see, let's say for our new car, we're going to go back. I'm just going to change this to, so we've hit our threshold above 25% for our new car, so it went from red to orange. If I was to say, we've got above our threshold of 55%, we see for the new car, it's gone to yellow. So really all that is needed from each of the entry by the user is to fill out this table here, filling out the sinking fund, how much is needed when you're going to start saving for it and when you're going to end, and then updating the transaction log as you input money or withdraw money. So let's say for our college, we actually withdrew $5,000. So we can see that all of the plots update and address withdrawals as well. So sinking funds are dynamic trackers, so we can put money in, but we can also take money out of those if we need to allocate those to other resources. So I hope you enjoy your purchase, and thank you again for making that purchase. And if you have any issues or have any questions about the sheet, feel free to reach out via Etsy messaging or via email at theorganizedgridetsy@gmail.com. Have a good day. Thanks.